Hi guys, welcome to Twitter's funny channel. In our last class we saw how to generate the auto increment part of category ID. In this lesson I am going to teach how to add the records into your database. After that view the records. Okay, let's moving to our chapter. Here before moving the chapter, category description we make it as a multi-line. Okay, because the description mean we have to write more so that this will be efficient if you write like this. Okay, it's multiple. Okay, now let's do the task. Okay, first double click on the form. Here go to the form. I'm going to write the another function which is a private function, private sub equal to add category. Okay, this one add get cat id, this function name. This function name I wrote is add category. Okay, here I am going to get that same variable here. It's took from the module class equal write the query. When you insert the record from the database, you have to write insert, start with insert into, after that the particular name of the database, which name you have to write. The name of the database table is category. So category, you have to write the name carefully. After that you have to declare the table names. This one part of the auto increment part. Here we have to write this one also, cat id, cat name, description. Okay, same thing, you just copy and paste it so that you avoid the spelling mistakes. Okay, whatever in your database table, the same text you just copy and paste, you can avoid the errors. Okay, if you wrote CA name, if you write in the coding cat name, it will be getting error. Okay, so that you just copy and paste it, you can avoid the errors, so that you can copy and paste it. Comma. Okay, right, cat id, cat name and description. Okay, this one we no needed, which is auto increment part. Okay, so let's, after that value, what are the values you are going to insert? So what are the value you are going to insert in your database table? These are the values. Okay, these are the value you are going to insert. This one will be automatically incremented coming. This one you have to write. Okay, so let's move into our coding part. The first one will be, here you have to write within the value single quotation, double quotation, double quotation, single quotation. Within the double quotation you have to add the encoding here, symbol and make your to and symbol. Within the and symbol you have to write the name of the text box. What is the text box? You have to write this one for txt cat id. So it's automatically your txt. If you type txt, it's automatically show the name. You just click dot text. This is the property. Right, the same thing you have to write here also, comma, single quotation, double quotation, double quotation, single quotation. You have to write two or three times. Okay, then only you can get the experience of the program. Okay, leave the space with the bracket and the double quotation and sign. Okay, each and every symbol you get the space. Okay, leave the space, that will be the important stuff. Okay, if you not leave the step, it will be show the error. Okay, another second one is a cat name dot text. After that, comma, the last one is single quotation, double quotation, double quotation, single quotation. Here you have to write two signs. You have to write here txt description dot text. That is the things you have to write. Okay, here you have insert the table fields into relevant values. Relevant values mean this form values. Okay, now it's this thing is correct. Now press enter key and go to the next line. You have to provide the connection class con d. This is a connection class. After that you have to check whether the query and connections are both are correct, so that you have to write cmd equal new mysql command. Within the bracket you have to write sql comma con connection, this property. That's it. After that you have to create the variable dim a as integer and create another variable is integer. This is a data variable integer. This is a variable, the appropriate data type will be integer. Here a equal into cmd dot execute non-query. Okay, if this two, if the table data and match with this table, if the data and table are matched and this connection will be the connection and query will be correct, if this method will be work, execute non-query, your record will be successfully added to your database. Okay, and put into this single variable. Okay, so here I am going to check whether the record is available or add your database or not. So we have to write the condition. So a greater than 0, greater 0 means there are no records available in your database, so it's heading failure. If it is 0 means it is false, heading failure. If it is equal true. Greater than 0, so let me write greater than 0 only. If the a is greater than 0 equal true, true mean message box, we write here record added, otherwise message box telling that record added, record not added or something else, not added, not added. Okay, otherwise failed. Simply put failed. Okay, you just create like this and let me test it whether it is added or not. Okay, so let's call this method in this add button. Okay, so let's close the call the button, so the button where the functions works. Okay, so let's run the program and see. Category, click add. Now let's add category name as TV. Here description TV, you have to describe the TV about something else, you have describe something else, and click add, record added, so that record will be added. Okay, so let's check our database first. Go to the database table category, browse. Now you can see here starting from here it's added. Okay, now let's close the forms. It's added successfully. Let's close it, and here what I'm going to do is here another important stuff I have to do here is try you write right, the catch automatically fold. Okay, so let's copy the code, entire code, this code, and cut it and place it within the try block, because if there is any error, it is caught by catch block. Okay, so if you write like this, it is very efficient way to write the program look like this. Okay, so that I put like this. Okay guys, I hope you enjoyed this my tutorial. In my next class, I am going to teach how the report view. Okay, once you add the report, you will able to view in your data grid view. Okay, we'll see how to do this task. Okay guys, I hope you enjoy my tutorial. If you like my channel, please subscribe me.